Engaging in woodworking provides opportunities for creativity, skill development, emotional fulfillment, and even economic advantages. This hands-on craft not only allows individuals to create tangible products, but also fosters a deep connection with the material and the environment. One of the primary benefits of woodworking is the creative outlet it provides. The process of transforming raw wood into a finished piece allows craftsmen to express their artistic vision. Woodworking is not merely about functionality, it is also an art form. Craftsmen can experiment with different designs, techniques, and finishes, giving them the freedom to create unique pieces that reflect their style and personality. This creative process can be incredibly fulfilling, as it allows individuals to manifest their ideas in a tangible form. The satisfaction of seeing a project come to life is a rewarding experience that fuels further creativity and exploration. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of random wood furniture ideas and wood decor pieces ideas for your inspiration. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Moreover, woodworking encourages problem-solving skills. Each project presents its own set of challenges, whether it's figuring out how to join pieces together, selecting the right wood species for a specific application, or overcoming design obstacles. This hands-on problem-solving fosters critical thinking and decision-making skills, which are valuable not just in woodworking, but in various aspects of life. The ability to troubleshoot and find solutions enhances a craftsman's confidence and resilience, qualities that can translate into other areas of their lives. Skill development is another significant benefit of woodworking. As craftsmen engage in the craft, they develop a range of technical skills, from basic measurements and cuts to advanced joinery techniques and finishing methods. Mastering these skills takes time and practice, but the journey is rewarding. Each project provides an opportunity to learn something new, whether it's a specific technique or a deeper understanding of the material. This continuous learning process keeps the craft engaging and allows craftsmen to refine their abilities over time. The sense of accomplishment that comes from mastering new skills can be incredibly empowering. Apart from technical skills, woodworking also enhances fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. The precision required for tasks like cutting, sanding, and assembling pieces demands a level of dexterity that can improve with practice. Over time, craftsmen develop a keen sense of spatial awareness and intuitive understanding of how different components fit together. This improvement in motor skills can benefit individuals in various aspects of their lives, including other hobbies and daily tasks. Woodworking can also serve as a form of stress relief and therapy. The act of working with one's hands has been shown to reduce stress and promote relaxation. The rhythmic motions involved in sanding, planing, and assembling pieces can have a meditative quality, allowing craftsmen to focus their minds and escape from the pressures of daily life. Engaging in a creative pursuit like woodworking can provide a sense of peace and fulfillment, making it a valuable tool for mental well-being. The satisfaction of seeing a project through from start to finish can be a source of joy and accomplishment, contributing to overall happiness. Another significant benefit of woodworking is the sense of community it can foster. Many woodworkers find camaraderie among others who share their passion. Whether through local woodworking clubs, online forums, or social media groups, craftsmen can connect with like-minded individuals, share ideas, and seek advice. This sense of community can be incredibly supportive, as it provides a platform for learning and growth. Many woodworkers also participate in workshops or classes where they can learn from experienced craftsmen and share their own knowledge. This collaboration enhances the craft and builds lasting relationships that can enrich both personal and professional lives. Moreover, woodworking can lead to economic benefits. For those who choose to turn their craft into a business, woodworking can provide a source of income. The demand for custom, handmade items has been on the rise, with consumers increasingly seeking unique products that reflect their values and aesthetics. Craftsmen can sell their work at craft fairs, online marketplaces, or through social media, reaching a broad audience. This entrepreneurial aspect of woodworking can be incredibly fulfilling, allowing individuals to turn their passion into a viable livelihood. Even for those who do not pursue woodworking as a business, there are economic advantages to the craft. Creating items for personal use can save money in the long run. Instead of purchasing expensive furniture or decor, craftsmen can make their own pieces tailored to their specific needs and preferences. This ability to create functional items not only saves money, but also adds a personal touch to one's home. Woodworking also promotes sustainability and a connection to nature. Working with natural materials fosters an appreciation for the environment and the resources it provides. Many craftsmen take pride in sourcing their wood responsibly, whether through reclaimed materials or sustainably harvested lumber. This conscious approach to sourcing not only benefits the environment, but also instills a sense of responsibility in the craftsman. By understanding the implications of their material choices, woodworkers can contribute positively to sustainability efforts. Furthermore, woodworking encourages a deep understanding of craftsmanship and quality. In an age dominated by mass production and consumerism, woodworking emphasizes the value of handmade items. Craftsmen learn to appreciate the intricacies of their work, from selecting the right wood to applying the perfect finish. This focus on quality can lead to a greater sense of pride in one's work, as craftsmen understand the effort and skill involved in creating each piece. This appreciation for craftsmanship can extend beyond woodworking, influencing other areas of life, including a commitment to quality in other pursuits. Many woodworkers find joy in sharing their skills with others, whether through teaching, mentoring, or simply sharing their knowledge with friends and family. This transmission of skills fosters a sense of community and continuity, ensuring that the craft remains vibrant for future generations. Moreover, woodworking cultivates patience and attention to detail. The process of creating with wood often requires meticulous planning, careful measurements, and precise execution. Craftsmen learn to take their time and focus on the task at hand, developing a level of attention to detail that can enhance their work and personal lives. This patience is a valuable skill that can lead to better decision-making and a more thoughtful approach to challenges. The ability to slow down and appreciate the process is a significant benefit that extends beyond woodworking, impacting other areas of life. Well, dear viewers, there you have them, our hand-picked random wood furniture ideas and wood decor pieces ideas for your inspiration. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.